Hello student, today I am going to discuss about work energy theorem. Work energy theorem means that change in kinetic energy is known as work done. Change in kinetic energy means, in this case, object remains in motion when we apply a force on the objects. Dear students, we have to prove this. 1 upon 2 mv square minus 1 upon 2 mu square. Suppose any object moving with velocity u at the first, and when we apply the force on the objects after traveling distance s, object move with velocity v. Our main purpose is derive the expression of work energy theorem 1 upon 2 mv square minus 1 upon 2 mu square. Dear students, since we are applying the force on an object, so we are doing work on the objects because object displaces its position and takes some displacements. So work done is equal to force into displacement. My dear students, here we know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. In the place of force we have written mass into acceleration. In the place of s we can write from third equation of motion v square minus u square is plus 2as, or we can say that v square is equal to u square plus 2s. So v square minus u square is equal to 2s. In the place of s we can put v square minus u square upon 2a. Now we will put in the place of this v square minus u square whole upon 2a. Now we have work done is equal to mass into acceleration into v square minus u square upon this. A and a cancel. My dear students, now we will multiply the given equation by a inside this equation. Now we have mv square minus mu square upon 2a. In the place of this we can write 1 upon 2 mv square minus 1 upon 2 mu square. This is the work energy theorem. So finally our conclusion is W is equal to 1 upon 2 mv square minus 1 upon 2 mu square. This equation is also known as work energy theorem. So whenever any object remains in motion and when we apply a force on that object, then changes in the kinetic energy of that object is always equal to the work done by the applied force. So whenever you get numericals related to this, any object moving with any velocity and we apply the force on the object changes its velocity, then calculate work done. So my dear student, in that case you do not use the formula of W is equal to F into S. You use the formula of changes in kinetic energy is known as work done. So you write, in that case you write W is equal to 1 upon 2 mv square minus 1 upon 2 mu square. This is also known as work energy theorem. So now you have to try and understand these theorems and try to write and try to prove this work energy theorem at your home, and you have to try numericals related to work energy theorem also. Thank you.